Let's explore the unique world of woodworking machines, where each device is a symbol of strength and creativity. I promise not to disappoint you, but on the contrary, we'll bring you the best experiences. Vermeer HG 6800TX stands out with its ability to crush the largest and hardest blocks of wood. Designed to remove and process debris in specialized areas, this machine is an effective choice for tackling challenging wood grinding jobs. Especially the ability to operate remotely, 600 horsepower engine, 10M long, 2M wide conveyor belt, and 1300-liter fuel tank. Vermeer HG 6800TX not only brings convenience but also ensures a grinding capacity of up to 1000 kg/hour. The Haki Pilka 55 Pro is an advanced automatic wood splitter designed to meet all the needs of professionals with outstanding productivity and innovative features. It can divide a log into 24 parts in just a few seconds. The system automatically adjusts the height of the saw wedge according to the diameter of the log, capable of processing logs with a maximum diameter of 5 meters and a length of 6 meters, with a splitting force of up to 40 tons. The power source can be PTO, electric, or combination, and the machine uses split blades 24/8 for optimal performance. More than just a wood shredder, the Genshem 820Z is also a symbol of modernity and excellence in the woodworking industry. With automatic trailer coupling and Alliance 650 R22.5 tires, it helps improve performance while ensuring safety during work. An intelligent leak collection system and central lubrication point together with a worm gearbox increase machine performance and stability. The Epsilon M70F 101 crane has a log lift RX31 4-finger hook that makes handling and transporting wood chips easy and efficient. The Frontier OS31 shines with unique features, most notably Norwood's patented auto-locking saw head, which helps users easily set the saw head for each cut. With a standard cutting width of 3.4 m and a diameter of 79 cm, the Frontier OS31 not only has a powerful 300 horsepower Briggs & Stratton gasoline engine, but is also flexible and expandable with an effective sawing length that can be increased up to 5 nm steps. The maximum saw block width is 89 cm, ensuring efficient processing even of large and complex wood blocks. SpaltFix K Vario is a versatile woodworking companion. With the ability to flexibly adjust wood size, this machine effectively meets all wood size needs. The 600 horsepower motor allows the machine to split wood quickly and efficiently. The sturdy, modern design not only enhances operational capabilities but also creates a professional image, providing a safe and effective working experience. Morbark is proud to introduce the PSP Pole, a versatile peeler capable of handling logs from 6 to 25 feet in length and 3 to 12 inches in diameter. With peeling speeds of up to 40 feet per minute, the machine uses a split peeling head with carbide-tipped cutting teeth, ensuring efficient bark and knot removal, while also creating a smooth surface after just one move. If you find the video interesting, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel to follow the next videos. Your support is a great motivation and we sincerely appreciate it. Raver debarker is a professional solution for removing bark from logs from 200 to 1,500 centimeters in diameter. With a specialized 6-blade milling head, the machine easily processes many different types of wood. The rotation speed can be adjusted to remove the bark from the log in less than a minute. Together with the optical sensor system and the ability to adjust the thickness of the removed shell, the machine offers flexibility. It can be controlled remotely, allowing operators to conveniently manage the machine remotely. Polypress is the pinnacle in multi-layer ring flexible column manufacturing. With fully automated operations from loading and unloading to pressing, Polypress not only reduces labor but also improves production accuracy. Computer numerical control (CNC) ensures time efficiency and high precision. The automatic loading and unloading feature not only optimizes the working process but also ensures high efficiency, helping businesses save costs and time. The Monster Splitter is the perfect solution for situations that require strength when handling large blocks of wood. Equipped with a 560 horsepower push bar and sharp cutting blades, the machine can process wood up to 1 meter in diameter. The ability to divide a large block of wood into 4 parts, each up to 8 em long, optimizes the use of wood resources and creates manageable pieces of material. With a length of 10 em and a weight of 1 ton, the machine operates strongly and stably, solving even the most difficult challenges in the wood industry. Raver Type 750, a multi-blade circular saw with dual shafts, marks a significant advance in the field of automatic wood cutting. With automation feature equipped with automatic wood conveyor with adjustable shaft to help position wood accurately. Capable of cutting wooden blocks with a thickness of 4,200 cm, the machine automatically adjusts the movement and height of the saw blade, creating precise and uniform wood layers. The automatic material detection feature allows the machine to intelligently recognize and process wood. In addition, chain conveyor and dust collection systems help maintain a clean and safe working environment. WRC 1250 AC is a heavy-duty chainsaw line designed with a sturdy structure, fully hydraulic and equipped with leading German electronics. With the ability to handle large wooden blocks with a diameter of 1,250 centimeters, this machine effectively turns them into evenly thin wooden panels. Using advanced hydraulic technology and electronic control, this machine not only optimizes work efficiency, but also ensures safety and efficiency in operation. An efficient multi-blade vertical saw, mainly used in the woodworking industry, the Primultini 1300 Super is designed to optimize production efficiency. Specially equipped with a 700 horsepower engine and many advanced saw blades to help improve cutting ability and increase productivity. Flexible cutting dimensions allowing quick adaptation to specific requirements. The integrated automatic control system ensures precision and efficiency during woodworking. Turbo Sawmill automatic rotary blade saw marks a breakthrough in the sawing industry. With the ability to perform work compatible with two operators using the analyzer, it not only saves labor but also delivers outstanding work efficiency. With a weight of 2 tons and a length of 10 meters, the machine can process wooden blocks with a maximum length of 8 meters. The 200 cm radius saw blade is equipped with an 800 horsepower motor, ensuring fast wood cutting. The automatic control system allows the machine to operate without significant user intervention. The LT70 saw with the ability to cut up to 95 cm in diameter and 20 meters in length is a great assistant for top woodcutter Michael Humer. Weighing 10 tons and equipped with a powerful 1200 horsepower engine, the machine becomes a powerful tool for processing large blocks of wood. With full automation features, the machine not only helps adjust the height and precise cutting position, but also performs operations such as turning wood quickly. This optimizes the work process and minimizes human intervention. We believe that videos are not only a bridge to bring you unique experiences, but also a key to the world of woodworking machinery, allowing you to explore in a detailed and fascinating way. Thank you for accompanying us. A high-quality combine harvester, the Claas Lexion 795, is designed to deliver impressive harvest performance on large fields. With a cutting width of 13.5 meters, this machine can cover a wide area and deliver outstanding harvesting efficiency. Advanced threshing technology helps the machine separate seeds effectively and ensures precision in removing trash and unwanted grass parts. The large grain bin allows the equipment to operate continuously for long periods of time, minimizing downtime for unloading grain. The Case IH 9240 axial flow combine harvester is an icon in the harvesting industry. With a powerful engine from FTP with a capacity of 9L, the machine delivers a rated capacity of 550 horsepower and maximum power of up to 625 horsepower. The large grain bin with a capacity of 400L 410 BU allows the Case IH 9240 to harvest and store significant quantities of grain efficiently. The impressive unloading speed is 158 ls, helping the machine handle loads quickly and efficiently. With its advanced axial flow design, this combination harvester delivers superior harvesting performance and high precision. The New Holland CR1090 is one of the leading combine harvesters, featuring a powerful engine that provides ample capacity to handle large quantities of grain. With a harvesting capacity of up to 797,656 tons in 8 hours, this machine demonstrates efficiency and speed. Combining a peak productivity of 135 tons per hour and an average productivity of 99.7 tons per hour, the New Holland CR1090 is a powerful work tool and a symbol of innovation and progress in grain harvest. The John Deere X91100, an advanced combine harvester, elevates harvesting efficiency to new heights. With a 13.6L engine, the machine boasts a power of 603 horsepower, efficiently handling large quantities of grain. The large grain tank allows the harvester to operate continuously for extended periods without stopping to unload grain. With the capability to achieve a maximum productivity of 135 tons per hour, the John Deere X9 1100 employs advanced technology, including the new APS SynFlow hybrid threshing system, optimizing the separation of grain from chaff and other debris. The Claas Lexion 8900, recognized as the world's largest combine harvester, impresses with its enormous size. With the new APS SynFlow hybrid threshing system, this harvester increases the threshing speed of harvested grain. The Claas Lexion 8900 stands out thanks to its size and large grain bin, capable of holding up to 18,000 liters and emptying in just 100 seconds. This important feature helps optimize productivity and efficiency in the agricultural industry. Massey Ferguson describes the Massey Ferguson Ideal 8T as a game changer in the harvesting industry. With advanced technology, MF Ideal 8T delivers high performance and best quality in grain harvesting. Powerful engine with 483 kilowatts capacity ensures powerful and efficient operation. Equipped with a 12.2 meter wide cutting head, helping to improve productivity and harvest yield. Maximum torque is achieved at 1,900 revolutions per minute, ensuring stable and reliable performance under all working conditions. The Recom DeWolf is more than just a carrot harvesting tool with the ability to harvest up to 120 tons of carrots per hour. Powerful 400 horsepower motor and dual autopilot feature, the Recom delivers performance superiority and convenience. The device is also equipped with sensors that allow the vehicle to automatically adjust direction, improving the accuracy and efficiency of the harvesting process. The machine's smart design focuses on optimizing the harvesting process, bringing convenience and reliability, helping farmers complete their work quickly and efficiently. Sampo Rosenlu Comia C12, an advanced combine harvester, brings many significant improvements. With a weight of 13 tons and a fuel tank capacity of 450 liters, this machine is designed to operate strongly even in difficult terrain. The 6-meter wide harvesting head and large material storage tank with a capacity of up to 7,600 liters help optimize harvesting capacity. A powerful engine with a capacity of 300 horsepower allows the machine to reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, facilitating quick movement between harvesting areas. The Metalagro MA301 harvester plays an important role in harvesting lavender effectively and professionally. Its precision cutting mechanism is designed for high performance, allowing for a quick and even harvest of lavender. This not only saves time, but also ensures the quality of the final product. The machine has the ability to flexibly adjust the height to suit the thickness of the lavender plant. The flower collection system is integrated effectively, leaving no impact. With its simple design and user-friendly operation, Metalagro MA301 offers operator convenience. Deutz Fahr C 9300, a high-performance combine harvester with a fuel tank capacity of 750 liters, is designed for powerful and continuous operation. With a 9-meter-long cutting head and a spacious material tank with a total capacity of up to 10,500 liters, the machine optimizes harvesting capacity and retains a significant amount of grain. A powerful engine with a capacity of 400 horsepower helps the machine reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per h, facilitating flexible movement in agricultural fields. The Deutz Fahr C 9300 is a harvesting tool and a reliable partner for modern agricultural needs. The Krone Big X 1180 represents the pinnacle of technology in the field of forage harvesters, featuring 6 loading rollers to ensure maximum reliability and the best cutting quality. The continuous cutting system is maintained by emptying drums and the thrower, ensuring consistent performance. The powerful engine of the Krone Big X 1180, with a horsepower range from 687 to 1,156 GP, not only provides the ability to handle large amounts of crops, but also helps reduce emissions while enhancing the machine's efficiency. This perfect combination of technology and performance meets all harvesting needs. Rostselmash 785 is a combine harvester that brings efficiency and stability to the harvesting process. With a weight of 13 tons and a fuel tank capacity of 500 liters, it is designed to operate strongly in large fields. The cutting head has a width of 6 m, improving the productivity of harvesting a large amount of seeds after each cut. The 300 horsepower motor provides enough power to handle heavy tasks. The machine's moving speed can reach 25 kilometers per h, optimizing travel time between harvesting areas. Two farmers named John and Peter spent many months cultivating a piece of land on their farm. After months of tending and planting the plants, they struggle as the soil loses water and doesn't retain proper moisture when the rainy season arrives. Struggling to find a solution, they came to the TerraTech textile coating spreader and decided to invest in this product. They were satisfied with the efficiency of the machine. TerraTech helps them save time and labor when manually mulching the soil. Let's continue with other compact tools. The Tornadica is a versatile handheld excavator designed to help gardeners plow the soil and make small holes for more accessible and more efficient planting. The machine can also be disassembled and assembled quickly, making it easy for users to replace or repair components when necessary. Instead of using bulky, large-capacity machines, this is one of the simple and beautiful tools that garden lovers can own. With a large-scale farm, investment in machinery is essential. If one person's labor were used, clearing the food from the mud would undoubtedly take a long time. However, this is really easy with the help of a Dymax feed bunk sweeper machine. This machine is an efficient barn cleaner designed to collect uneaten feed, fertilizer, and waste from the herd's feeding area. With a simple design, the device works on the principle of suction and push to make the cleaning process simpler and more convenient. Please share and subscribe to our channel to experience the best together. Isn't the gardener's joy in finding intelligent, labor-reducing machines? The spinach paper pot transplanteur from TerraTech is specialized in growing vegetables, especially lettuce and kale. The machine can automatically create planting holes and place plants in the correct position on the plot quickly and accurately. In particular, the engine uses unique paper twisting technology to form flexible paper tubes, which minimizes the compression force to help plants grow better. If before, farmers had to spend hours a day harvesting and processing grass by hand for the cows to eat, but now everything changed when they discovered the manual grass harvester EM4. This machine can pack and store large quantities of grass quickly and practically cheaply. It yields 3 to 4 tons per day for 8 hours. It works with bags with a capacity of 40 to 50 kilograms, and its dimensions are 1.10 meters by 0.60 meters long, caliber 6. Have you ever tasted this famous wine? Volcan de mi Tierra is a premium tequila brand made in Mexico. Volcan de mi Tierra is made by traditional methods combined with modern technology, resulting in a rich, delicious, and classy tequila. The tilting machine is a product designed by Elliott Coleman. It uses a battery-powered drill for power. This machine works. It smooths the bed's surface, making it possible to plant seeds with a seeder or transplanter. This is a suitable tool for small gardens. And this is the Pallet lawnmower. This is your indispensable tool for hoeing, aerating, and weeding in your vegetable garden or anywhere you want. Trim horseshoes are no longer too tricky because now this worker has the practical support of a portable mini pruner. The Hoof Boss miniature hoof trimmer is a safer and easier way to trim ponies' hooves. This compact machine offers ultimate control during trimming and will not heat or damage the hoofs. You can perfect the feet of your farm horses in just minutes. Instead of laboring to pick up hazelnuts or acorns, this machine takes care of almost everything. With just one operator, the machine can collect dozens of kilograms of seeds in just 30 minutes. It can pick up almost 95% of the particles in its path.